Hello, how is everyone doing today? I am back to share. This is the February Simon Says Stamp card kit, and it is full of lots of items. The first thing that they added in here was some craft tacky glue from Simon Says Stamps. I have never tried this, but I will be able to try this with this kit. And they have some twiggy carved blade scissors here, compact scissors. Cute, cute. I did not expect that. Their little lollipop treat that they put in all their kits. A watercolor brush in here as well. Some pretty, beautiful, adorable Studio Katia. Oh, I forgot what you call these. Crystals. Crystals. And they are so cute. I don't know if the camera will focus on them, but they're little itty bitty pieces of shimmer. Then there are some wood cutouts in here, and these are a sewing machine, an old-fashioned camera, another camera, and this one is a Polaroid camera. And this one, let me see, I had to figure this one out. I had to look at it for a little bit to figure out what it was. And now I can't remember. I can't remember what it was supposed to be. But I'm trying to look at it to see if I remember what it was. But this one's one that was harder to figure out. And for the life of me, I cannot figure out what it is. I don't remember now. But we got those wood cutouts, and then there's this stamp set that's called Crafty Friends, and it's all about crafting. Hello, handcrafted hello. It says you make everything colorful, handmade by someone super crafty, named, and then there's a line to put your name there. Thanks. Sending you a handcrafted hello from so very far away. Crafters gonna craft. Hugs enclosed. New stamps equals love. Adorable. So true. New stamps equals love. And then there's this pretty paper pad, and like usual, it's usually half of a pad, like a sample of it, so that way you can use it with your kit. And they are double-sided. And there are a couple of, this is some watercolor paper and some Daniel Smith, I think is what they call it, little samples, dots, so you could use. It's probably why they included that water brush. 3 envelopes, and these are real shiny and smooth. The texture of them is real smooth. So we got 3 of those in 3 different colors. 2 Tim Holtz embossing folders. I don't think I have these. They're actually patterns that I probably would not gravitate to, so it's good that they added them here, because that way I can get to play with them and see what they are like. And this month's cardstock is white. I don't have the exact colors. I have the inspiration sheets in there, but I didn't look at it yet. Like a teal. It looks kind of blue on camera. A bright, like a semi-bright yellow. It's not bright, but it's not pastel-y either. Yellow. Then there is like a burnt orange color. And then the last one is, looks like a dark brown color. I think on camera it looks black. And that is what was included in this month's Simon Says Stamp Kit of the Month. I think there's a lot of beautiful elements in here, a lot to play with and experiment with. And let me see what I can come up with this month with the items in my kit. There's still that extra wood piece that I can't remember. I figured it out. It took me a few minutes, but I figured it out. what it was. And now for the life of me, I can't remember what that piece was, but I will have to look at it. When you saw it, if you recognize what it could be, please comment down below and let me know, so that way I don't have to rack my brains trying to figure out what it was. Anyhow, you all have a great day, and I will be back later on at a future date with some projects made with this card kit. I'm not going to try to make 10 cards because that's a little bit much for me. I don't know if I could stretch my imagination that much, but I can surely make at least 2 to 4 cards with each kit that I get. And I usually do, except I haven't been videotaping them, so I might have to start videotaping them so that way I could share what I've made and what I've come up with from putting all these pieces together. Anyhow, I'll see you next time in my next video. You all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.